Good evening friends, welcome to Update Study Practice channel. We are discussing about analogy and its type. Now we are discussing type 8 and the title is number analogy. Already we saw up to 9 sums. Now we are moving to 10 sum and the 9 sums were asked in RRB bank exam and SSC exams and so on. Come on, let's enter into the session. The 10th question is 8, 28, 27, then question mark. And the options are A 55, B 63, C 64, and then D 65. And this question was asked in RRB exam 2002. So this is the question. What we have to do first? We have to find the relationship between 8 and 28. So you have to find the relationship between 8 and 28. See here, it's 27. The first number is 27. Here the first number is 8. Is there any similarities between 8 and 27? Yes. 8 is nothing but 2 cube and 27 is 3 cube. So the first number on both sides are some cubes. Let's take it as x. This is x cube. Here also x cube. The x variant will be vary. So here it's 2 cube called 8 and here 3 cube which is called 27. So using this 2 only, by making this 2 by adding or subtracting some numbers or making cube, we will get 28. So what's that? We have to find out that. So next to 2 cube, what's the number? 2 cube, 3 cube and then 4 cube. So 4 cube is 64. Am I right? But we can't write 64 here because 28 is not a cube. So the answer is also not a cube. So there is some addition or subtraction for finding the relationship between 8 and 28. We have to find out that. So now make x as 2. Therefore x cube is equal to 8. Now by adding 1, x plus 1, that means 2 plus 1, which is 3. Right? Already we know 3 cube is 27. By adding plus 1, we will get 28. That means x plus 1 the whole cube plus 1 gives 28. Here the x is 2. 2 plus 1 the whole cube plus 1. 27 plus 1, this is 27 plus 1 gives 28. Similarly, here it's 3 cube. So now x equal to 3, x plus 1, the whole cube plus 1 gives some number. We have to find out that 3 plus 1, the whole cube plus 1. That means 4 cube plus 1. 64 plus 1 gives 65. So this x plus 1, the whole cube plus 1 is the clue or the relationship between 8 and 28 and 27, and what will get the answer? 65. So 65 is the right answer. So this sum is little bit difficult, even though if you find out it's 2 cube and 3 cube, the 28, how we will get the 28 is a little bit difficult one to find the formula. But if you find the x cube is 27 plus 1 gives 28. It's a simple one. But you have to understand the question and we have to think about the answer in a different way. So by practicing this kind of sums only, we will realize the relationship. What kind and different kind. We have to think that. Hence the answer is 65. Option D is the right answer. Answer is 65. Now we are moving to 11th sum. And the question is 68 is to 130. Then question mark is to 350. And this question was asked in SSC exam 2002. This question was asked in SSC exam 2002. So we have to find the relationship. Before that, the options are A 210, B 216, C 222, and then D 240. So now take the first one, 68, 130. What's the difference between this 68 and 130? 62 is the difference. Alright? Yes. 62 is the difference. But we don't get any clue in this 62. There is no square, no cube. If you found any, so same difference, we will find this for second one, 350. So here it's, so minus 62 gives, what's the answer? Minus 62 means 290, 288. 288 must be the answer, but there is no option found here as 288. So we have to move for another method. So let's take the first one, 68. 68 is near to some cube. What's the cube? 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. 64 plus 4 gives 68. Am I right? Yes. So now it's 4 cube for 68. Next to 4 cube, 4. Next to 4, 5. 5 cube is 125. 125 plus 5 gives, yes, 130. So we get the answer 68, 130. Similarly, we have to find for this question mark answer. So formula behind here is x cube plus x. Here also x cube plus x. X is a variant. The number will be vary. So now we can 4, 5. Let's now test for number 6. 6 cube is 216 plus 6 gives 222. So here also the answer, but we have to check for 352. 4, 5, 6. For 357, next number is 7. 7 cube is 343 plus x. X is nothing but same number, 7, 350. So here comes the answer 68, 130, 222 and 350. So all are in a x cube plus x manner. 4, 5, 6, 7 continuous number. So option C is the right answer. 222 is the right answer. Hence the answer is 222 is the right answer. Mostly this kind of sums were asked in exam by using the cubes and squares plus adding or subtracting some numbers. Okay, so this is the clue behind this kind of number analogy sums. Now we are moving to the 12th sum. The 12th sum question is 49, 81, 100, then question mark. And this question was asked in SSC exam 2002. And the options are A 64, B 144, C 169, and then D none of this. This is the easiest sum. You can find easily the answer. What will be the answer is. So what's this? 7 square is nothing but 49. 9 square is 81, and then 10 square. 7 square 49, 9 square 81, and then 10 square 100. So here 7 plus 2 gives 9. Similarly 10 plus 2 gives 12. So 12 square is nothing but 144. So the correct answer is 144. So there is a clue behind this sum by adding plus 2. 7 plus 2 9, 10 plus 2 12, and then the square. Can you get it? If you have any doubt, please comment me. Hence the correct answer is answer 144 is the right answer. Now we are moving to 13th sum, and this is also the easiest sum. 149 is to 238, 159 is to question mark. This sum also asked in SSC exam 2002. The options are A 169, B 248, C 261, and then D 268. What we have to do? First, we have to find the relationship between the 149 and then 238. What's the difference between this? Let's subtract 238 and 149. So here it's 2, 18, 9, 12 minus 4 gives 89. Hence the difference is 89. So this 89 difference, whether it's suitable for 159, we have to check out this. So by adding 159 plus 89, we will get the x. 8, 9, 14, 248. So 248 present in the options? Yes. Option B is 248. Hence the correct answer is 248. This is also the simple sum. We can find answer easily. So here I conclude. Tomorrow we can discuss with more SSC and RRB and bank exam repeated question in number analogy. Okay. So please share and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Do practice it. If you practice more sums, then only you can easily achieve the exam. So only I am also practicing along with you. You can think why this lady is practicing more sums and take more time to study. So you can think like that. More examples, she was working with more examples. Please don't think like that. By practicing only we can easily achieve exams. So only I am continuously practicing different sums along with you. So thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Bye.